Today I'm going to show you how to create a motion effect in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, Place Embedded, and place your sky photo. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Now, create a layer mask. Open your gradient tool from the toolbar. And click on the bar to open the gradient editor. Open the Basics folder, and choose Black and White preset. Click the gradient editor at the top. Now, to draw a straight line, you can hold the Shift key, and then click and drag it up. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Let's name it, Reflections. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click, and choose the Flip Vertical. Then, drag it down. Press Enter on your keyboard. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush, select the mask. Make sure foreground color is black. Just paint the edges, and in the middle of the reflection images, to erase the extras. Go to Filter, Blur, and Motion Blur. Make the angle 90 degrees. And the distance 60 pixels. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll increase the radius to 3 pixels. Go back to Filter, Distort, and Wave. In this panel window, you can also play with these sliders until you get the perfect wave effect that you want. And you can also copy these settings. Now, click on the adjustment layer, then create a new color lookup. From the drop-down, select the late sunset. I'll decrease the opacity to 30%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.